destination.
It looks blurry, like you know when you're in a dream and you're going out of a dream a bit, but it's still blurry.
Typical day is waking up, meditating, going on walks, a lot of movement. My favorite color is purple. It's like the perfect mix between blue and red is like fiery and passionate, and blue is like calm and quiet.
One unrealized ambition. I think... I don't know.
I'll finally walk away, yeah. I'll finally walk away, despite the fact you took my heart. Won't be a slave to love. Don't miss you anymore. I finally walk away.
I don't like people who are always like stick with their opinions and not able to change it.
I think I actually went on a ride with my dad that he took me on a ride, but I was too young to go on it, and I think I just screamed the whole way, and they had to stop the ride and get me down.
Courage to me is having the power to live authentically and not for anybody else.
I love being right. I don't like being wrong, but if I am wrong, I will admit to it and move on from there. That is not a lie.
No, but it has to stay natural.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Ouais.
When you come across someone who's got a completely different perspective to you, it's really important to understand why they have that perspective instead of, pointing a finger, oh, that person's wrong. I really love the sound of birds, so my background is a conservation biologist, working with birds. So I'd work with penguins and water birds and storks and many different kinds of birds, so ornithologist. To me, logic means something that makes sense in terms of, I guess, the evidence presented, it makes sense. But then sometimes when you look at what's historically logic, and then you combine layers of bias.
The coat is gorgeous. I feel like a butterfly. I've got wings at the back. I can't stop flapping them around. Style means having the power to live authentically and not for anybody else. I'm going to be who I want to be just for me. You don't need to live for anybody else. It is truly your life, and who cares what anybody else has to say about it. Focusing purely on the destination distracts you from the journey, which both are equally important, but you discover yourself in different ways.
Like, I think that when you feel love, it's paradise. I think the paradise can be anywhere in the world. I'm wearing a cool sweater that is like really warm and a bit hot actually. I feel like I'm all like super pink. I like it.
Flowers and plexi, I guess?
I'm wearing Nina Ricci.
I would definitely wear this outside.
I definitely want it.
we as humans don't know very much, and we're always in this constant state of learning and understanding, and that's like, you know, an everyday process. We just learn more and become more of who we are.